it's Nita from Nita's Nummies, and today is a spectacular day because I just received a package from a wonderful company by the name of Mouth Party Caramels. Now, I'm about to have a party in my mouth with their caramels, so hang tight while I get this box open and we check out just what they've sent me. Hang on. I am back with Mouth Party Caramels, and I am so excited to look at this box because they've sent me some really cute things. Now I've got my Mouth Party sticker on right here, super cute, and my favorite color, hot pink. And the first thing they have sent me is this adorable little bag of soft caramels. Now caramels are one of my all-time favorite things. I can't wait to dig into this, and I have to tell you, I love this little ribbon. Now this is a real little ribbon, satin ribbon here. It's so super cute. How adorable is that if you got that in the mail? You'd be happy. I'm super happy with this right now. Next thing they've sent me is their original caramel sauce. Now how can you not be super excited about this? I'm extraordinarily excited about their caramel sauce. It looks delicious. So I'm gonna get them opened up here and we're gonna give them a try. Now the first thing we're gonna try is that sea salt caramel. Now these are soft caramels. So if I stick one in my mouth, I'm not gonna be chewing for an hour because this thing is soft. Smells delicious. I can't wait. I know there's butter in here. You know what I always say about butter, guys. It always wins me over. Now they sent me a little pamphlet with it that says it's small batch, handmade, mouth-watering, gourmet soft caramels. Yum. No HFCS, no high fructose corn syrup. It's gluten-free, nut-free, and no PHO, which is partially hydrogenated oils. You don't want that in your delicious caramels, and they didn't add any of that terrible stuff in there, only the good stuff in this. So what a cute little company, and I'm so stoked about it. So let's open up one of their caramels. Here it is, a little sea salt caramel. Ummy nummy. I'm gonna take a bite. I wanna shove the whole thing in, but I'm just gonna take a little bite. Oh, it's soft. The first thing I get right off the bat, that delicious, creamy, buttery flavor. If you don't have that butter, how can you make a good caramel? Mouth Party, OMG, so good. That was a delicious caramel, and it lived up to all the hype. So darn good. Buttery, salty, perfection. I don't think anyone could make a better caramel than that. That was so darn good. The next thing I'm gonna try is the original caramel sauce. And let me take a sniff here. Oh, that just smells so rich and creamy and buttery. So what I did was make a caramel gooey butter pie. Now, I'm gonna take a bite of it here. I'm gonna post pictures of the pie here in just a moment, so I don't have a super good picture of it right now because I just broke it into pieces, but here's what a bite of it looks like. Delicious caramel butter pie that I used that particular caramel in their Mouth Party caramel. Let me take a bite. This pie is spectacular on its own. When you add that caramel to it, it just brings it to a whole nother level. You guys have got to take this recipe. You have got to make this pie. If you've got Mouth Party caramels at home, if you don't, you better get some. This is a prize winner right here. I'm not kidding. One more bite. Whoa. Now that pie I created several years ago when I had my own bakery. It's extraordinarily delicious, but when you add that caramel to it, you just took it up 10 notches. You guys have got to try this. I'm not kidding. It is so darn good. Mouth Party, you guys are doing some good caramels out there. What a wonderful company. They're also doing good things for the community. Now I know, I read here that they are dedicated to helping advance cancer research one sweet bite at a time, and they donate a portion of their net profits to cancer research and cancer support services. I love companies like this. What a cool little company out in Maryland doing their thing, making some quality caramels. Delicious mouth party. You guys literally made a party in my mouth. I'm proud to wear this sticker today. I'm gonna keep it on all day long just for you guys. Anyway, I hope that you guys will check them out for yourselves. Visit their website at mouthpartycaramel.com and give them a see for yourself. See where you can get them. You will not be disappointed. I'm not kidding. Give them a try. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye now. To make this delicious pie, you're going to need 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 eggs, 1 package of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 pinch of salt, and you are going to blend it just as you see in the picture there. Blend it nice and smooth. Pour it into your graham cracker pie crust. It does make 2 pies, and you can swirl in some dollops of caramel sauce as you see there. Use your skewer and make it look pretty, and then bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes, and it's all done. It's not the prettiest pie, but it sure is delicious. Give it a try, guys. These caramels make everything spectacular.